This is how you can put an image inside a Notion table. So step one is you're going to open your table. Go to your Notion workspace and then open the table or database where you want to add images. So in my case, I'm just going to use this table I already have. And then from here, we're going to add a new column. So we're just going to scroll sideways and then we're going to add a new property right here. So as you can see, I already have the files in media, but I'm going to show you how I was able to do that. So I'm going to click on this plus icon to add another property. And then from here, you're going to select files and media. Now, once you have your files and media column, you can just type or just click on any cell under this column and you'll be able to upload an image. So if you click on upload, you can just choose a file. And then from here, you can just select any photo that you want. So for example, I want to add this photo. I'm just going to hit on open. And then you can see here, it starts uploading and you can see that it has been added. So if you click outside the box, you can still see the image right here. And it's it. That is how you can put an image in table in Notion. You can do this very easily. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more.